Can the government secretly record your phone calls? Well, yes, but only in situations of public emergency or threats to public safety. But what if they think you're bribing an official? In the case of P. Kishore versus the Secretary to Government of India, Ministry of Home and others, the Madras High Court said no. In 2011, the Home Ministry secretly allowed a citizen's phone to be tapped in a bribery investigation. There was no court order and no emergency. The decision was taken without any oversight, and the surveillance went on for weeks. The target was a man named P. Kishore, accused of bribing an income tax officer. But the phone tapping was done without a valid legal basis and without any review process. The High Court flagged this as a serious violation. Justice Anand Venkatesh of the Madras High Court ruled that this kind of surveillance is unacceptable. The government cannot snoop on someone's private calls unless there is a public emergency or a threat to public safety. India's constitution guarantees every citizen a right to privacy, even from the government. The court said tapping calls in a corruption case without proper checks violates that right. Here's what the law says. Under the Indian Telegraph Act, phone tapping is only allowed in cases of national emergency or public safety risks. That means riots, terrorism, or any situation involving life and death. A routine bribery case doesn't qualify. Also, there's supposed to be a review mechanism, a committee that checks whether the tapping was legally justified. That never happened in this case, so the court declared the order illegal. As a result, the tapping order was struck down, and the call recordings were ruled inadmissible in court. The investigating agency could still present other legal evidence, but nothing from the phone taps. This case marked a major moment for the right to privacy in India. It sends a clear message to the government. You cannot arbitrarily listen in on people's conversations, even if you think it's for a good cause. Privacy matters, and this judgment makes that loud and clear. Fighting crime is important, but it cannot come at the cost of citizens' basic rights. Even the state must follow the law, especially when it comes to surveillance.